Hadith number 355. Abu Sufyan said, Abu Ayyub al-Ansari, Jabir bin Abdullah, and Anas bin Malik told me that when this verse, in it, the mosque, are men who love to clean and to purify themselves, and Allah loves those who make themselves clean and pure, was revealed, the Messenger of Allah said, O Ansar, Allah has praised you for your cleanliness. What is the nature of your cleanliness? They said, we perform ablution for prayer and we take bath to cleanse ourselves of impurity due to sexual activity, and we clean ourselves with water after urinating. He said, this is what it is, so adhere to it. Hadith number 257. It was narrated that Abu Hurairah said, the Messenger of Allah said, the following was revealed about the people of Kuba, in it, the mosque, are men who love to clean and purify themselves. And Allah loves those who make themselves clean and pure. He said, they used to clean themselves with water after urinating, and this verse was revealed concerning them. Hadith number 358. It was narrated from Abu Hurairah that the Prophet relieved himself, then he cleaned himself with water from a pot made of brass, then he wiped his hand on the ground. Another chain with similar wording. Hadith number 359. Ibrahim bin Jarrah narrated from his father that the Prophet of Allah entered a thicket and relieved himself. Then Jarrah brought him a small water skin from which he cleansed himself. Then he wiped his hand in the dirt. Hadith number 360. It was narrated that Jabir said, the Prophet commanded us to tie up our water skins and cover our vessels. Hadith number 364. It was narrated from Abu Hurairah that the Messenger of Allah said, if a dog licks the vessel of anyome of you, let him wash it 7 times. Hadith number 365. It was narrated from Abdullah bin Mughaffal that the Messenger of Allah said, if a dog licks a vessel, wash it 7 times and rub it with dust the 8 times. Hadith number 366. It was narrated that Ibn Umar said, the Messenger of Allah said, if a dog licks the vessel of anyone of you, let him wash it 7 times. Hadith number 367. It was narrated from Kabsha bint Kabi, who was married to one of the sons of a flat Qatada, that she poured water for Abu Qatada to perform ablution. A cat came and drank the water, and he tilted the vessel for it. She started looking at it in surprise, and he said, O daughter of my brother, do you find it strange? The Messenger of Allah said, they, cats, are not impure, they are of those who go around among you. Hadith number 369. It was narrated from Abu Hurairah that the Messenger of Allah said, cats do not invalidate the prayer, because they are one of the things that are useful in the house. Hadith number 373. It was narrated from Hakam bin Amra that the Messenger of Allah forbade men to perform ablution with the leftover water by a woman. Hadith number 374. It was narrated that Abdullah bin Sarjis said, the Messenger of Allah forbade men to perform ablution with the water left over by a woman, and women to perform ablution with water left over by a man. However, both spouses may start to perform their ablutions at the same time. Abdullah ibn Majah said, the first narration is correct, and the second narration is an error. Another chain with similar wording. Hadith number 376. It was narrated that Aisha said, the Messenger of Allah and I would take a bath from a single vessel. Hadith number 377. It was narrated from Ibn Abbas that his maternal aunt Maimuna said, "The Messenger of Allah and I used to take bath from a single vessel." Hadith number 379. It was narrated that Jabir bin Abdullah said, "The Messenger of Allah and his wives used to take a bath from a single vessel." Hadith number 380. Zainab, the daughter of Salama, narrated from Salama that she and the Messenger of Allah used to take a bath from a single vessel. Hadith number 381. It was narrated that Ibn Umar said, "Men and women used to perform ablution from a single vessel during the time of the Messenger of Allah." Hadith number 382. It was narrated that Sabiyah al-Juwaniyah said, "Often my hand would touch the hand of the Messenger of Allah while performing ablution from a single vessel." Hassan, Abu Bakr Abdullah bin Majah said, "I heard Muhammad say, Sabiyah was Kawla bint Kai. I mentioned that to Abu Zur and he said, 'It is true.'" Hadith number 383. It was narrated from Aisha that the Prophet and she used to perform ablution together for prayer.